Locate the installation file on the included USB drive, then run msmart +309x64 exe as administrator. Select installation location. Wait for the installation to complete. Select the driver and install it. Open the software installation folder. Copy the MC4 update off Win64 exe file to the root directory of the software installation folder. Copy the 3 files beginning with JOC into the msmart drivers MC4CFG folder. Double-click the DM.exe file to run the program. Select the appropriate driver based on your machine model. Open the software and select your preferred language. Select the folder starting with Sen on the USB drive and click OK. You may proceed to the next step once all configuration files on this page show a status of complete. Select the configuration file that matches your laser source. Uncheck the 3 options in the Galvo menu and click Apply. Draw or import the design you want to engrave. Center the design on the workspace. Check Engrave only the selected design. Click the laser icon in the upper right corner, then click Exec to start engraving.